Hos Safe Sailing tilbyder vi kurser inden for søsikkerhed. Vi har stor fokus på at tilbyde vores kunder de bedste produkter, samt at fremtidssikre vores produkter inden for den digitale verden. Vi er derfor også i gang med at digitalisere mere og mere af vores produktportfolio. Dette gør vi for at tilbyde vores kursister mere fleksibilitet, så de kan tage deres kurser hvor og hvornår det passer dem. Et af disse kurser er vores duelighedskursus. Vores duelighedskursus er delt op i 2 dele. Den ene del er en teoretisk del, som vi allerede har digitaliseret og lagt online. Den anden del er en praktisk del, hvor kursisten skal lære at benytte et søkort med hertilhørende værktøjer. Den praktiske del af kurset er også nødvendigt at digitalisere, for at kunne tilbyde vores kunder en online og fleksibel løsning. Ingen har før kunnet præsentere sådan en digital løsning, men vi har nu her på Safe Sailing ved hjælp af 2 studerende fra Aalborg Universitet København ændret på denne præmis.
Safe Sailing was interested in digitalizing the physical part of their standard proficiency course. As students and developers, we found this challenge very interesting. Throughout our study and professional life, we have prior experience in designing and developing games. We therefore thought that our experience and knowledge within games could help in developing an efficient learning environment in a form of serious game. The serious game that we developed was called the NCA. It was important for both us and Safe Sailing that using the NCA would not decrease the learning outcome compared to normal practice. It was also important that the NCA mimicked real life as close as possible. This was because of 2 reasons. The first reason being that the users should be able to use what they have learned when at sea, and the second reason being that the users still need to go to a physical exam.
The NCA's design is based on mechanics known from games. When using the NCA, the user gets continuously feedback. The NCA tells you how to use the nautical chart and tools, and tells you when you're doing things right. This simulates one-to-one teaching, and it is commonly known that this form of feedback is efficient when it comes to learning. The user needs to be able to directly transfer what they practiced in the NCA to real life. So where digital programs often make things easier for you, we needed to set up restrictions to mimic real life. As an example of this, it is not possible to move the triangle in a locked position without the aid of the ruler. If the user tries to move the triangle without the ruler, the triangle will reset its rotation. This is done because if you in real life try to move the triangle without the ruler, the triangle's rotation would shift. The NCA helps the user get knowledge and experience that can be transferred to real life. So by using the NCA, the user can learn how to use a nautical chart and tools.
Hos Safe Sailing der ser vi NCA'en som et revolutionerende produkt, og vi har allerede taget det i brug. Selv om NCA'en kan bruges til at lære den praktiske del af kurset, så vil kursisterne stadig mangle at prøve den fysiske del, altså med værktøjer og søkort. Derfor tilbyder vi på selve kursusdagen, at kursisterne kan komme og øve sig med det rigtige søkort og de rigtige værktøjer. På den måde er NCA'en stadig med til at hjælpe kursisterne, samt at gøre kurserne mere fleksible end nogensinde. Det er helt klart fremtiden inden for søsikkerhedskurser.